You look more radiating than last year as well.
पोस्ट से भी फर्क पड़ता है ना. She's happier this season.
It's him. Yeah, exactly.
She's
I was,
happier.
oh my gosh, don't say that. I was happy last season too.
मैं खुद से तो बहुत हम्बल हूँ, मैं कुछ बोलती नहीं.
पहली बात तो तू बिल्कुल हम्बल नहीं है, कुछ भी बकवास मत कर. अगर उनको गुस्सा आ रहा है, they're not planning कि oh shit ये तो वो वाली सिचुएशन है, इसमें कशिश ने ऐसा किया था तो मैं ऐसा कर देता हूँ टाइप. You know, so out of those Sadaf is the most real right till now. ठीक है, ये अपने हिमांशु, ये जितने भी अपने रोडीज और वो दूसरे गैंग हैं, वो बहुत कैलकुलेटिव चल रहे हैं.
अरे इतना बात करते हैं, अरे इतना बात करते हैं. हा 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 ही चुप करो. नहीं चुप होता है. Seriously, even if I'm talking नहीं चुप होता है. And I'm like, dude, shut the F up.
पिछले सीजन में सबसे ज्यादा हॉट लड़का कौन था?
तनुज विरवानी.
You know the nice thing is they think that we're not listening and then Karan and I come in and drop a bomb.
That's the funny thing. Even in our season, we used to think, yo, हम तो बहुत तेज हैं.
हाँ, अभी पता चला
But then,
ना.
exactly.
You're like, thank you. So which one's your favorite?
Yeah, let's get down to business.
Yeah.
इसकी वो वाली वीडियो निकालना, वो वाला जब कह रही थी मैं तो मुझे तो सबका अटेंशन मिल रहा था, मुझे तो सब टच करने को मिल रहे थे, मेरे को तो बड़े मजे आ रहे थे, मुझे बड़े मजे आ रहे थे. ज़्यादा गुड एडवाइस सबको अच्छी देगी हाँ, एज अ फ्रेंड लाइक, बट जब उसके ऊपर होएगी तो ऐसे पिघल जाएगी वो.
Last year, Splitsvilla 15, there was one mischief maker, and there was no,
The first one, is this where you picked one up, threw him this way, picked one up, threw him the other way, and then picked this one up and threw it this way? I was like, oh, that's badass right there.
Which one is harder to maintain?
प्यार.
Damn.
I think that when this merger happens, we're gonna see a lot of anger, sadness, excitement. We're also gonna see a lot of, you know, a little bit of betrayal.
Heartbreaks.
Damn.
Yeah,
Favorite
because
genre?
they're flipping crazy. Let me just say that.
Yeah,
They're
it's
just
pushing the
crazy.
envelope, yeah.
They're like another level crazy.
The people who instantly fell in love and instantly made a connection and instantly were too much in love?
But they are getting
They're
married.
getting married.
No, not them.
Oh, okay.
So they felt that that was fake. Okay, that's deep. If we continue this, they're gonna puncture me more, they're gonna torture me more, and I don't wanna slip.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, guys.
No, it's okay if you slip. This episode will go viral if you slip.
I am back. Did you guys miss me? I get it. I missed me too. तुम्हें मेरे बिना withdrawal symptoms हो रहे थे without all that dose of gossip. तो मुझे तो आना ही था. And वैसे भी, BYOG without me is like Splitsvilla without the drama. Incomplete and honestly impossible. इतनी खुशी हो रही है ना मुझे बताते वक्त. Welcome guys. This is the grand premiere of MTV BYOG Season 2 Splitsvilla edition with your none other than yours truly, Kashish Kapoor. And इस साल I'm hoping कि सिर्फ टी नहीं थोड़ा लावा भी spill हो because BYOG is bolder, louder and messier than ever, just like me. Because honestly, who understands the circus of Splitsvilla more than somebody who survived it? Or I say thrived in it. And by the way guys, guess where I am? I am in Splitsvilla. और आज मेरे साथ हैं captains of the ship, host, dost and of course, hotter than most, Karan Kundra, and of course, the reigning queen of this game of love, Sunny Leone.
Wait. I just, well, hold on. Listen, we are not the captains. She was actually a captain running this ship of Splitsvilla last year. So we're just facilitators.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even say captains.
Like
I'm gonna cry.
I started. I was supposed to watch like say 10 episodes, and I ended up watching all 42. तुम लोगों ने, तुम और तुम्हारे दोस्तों ने मेरे 42 घंटे वापस करो. वापस करो. 42 hours I've spent.
She was badass.
Yeah.
Badass.
Yeah.
Like another level badass.
Sorry यार थोड़ा emotions overflow हो गई. Yes, let's go. Thank you so much for all of that. Oh, by the way guys, fun fact. Did you all know कि Karan's nickname is Sunny and Sunny's name is Karan? So what is this Sun-Sunny jodi going on? Sun-Sunny jodi going on.
There's another thing. We both have the same house numbers.
Yeah.
You do?
Number 4. So
this
crazy.
is cosmic karmic something going on.
Yeah.
This
Here,
is-
high five.
This is
Cosmic karmic something going on.
Yeah.
This
Here,
is
high five.
this is like वो splits का ideal match type होता है ना, ऐसे ढूंढ के ला रहे हैं.
This was the
host.
ideal host match.
Yeah.
Perfect. So now, Sunny, I have to ask you something. You have been a Splitsvilla veteran now for 10 years.
That makes you sound old.
No, no. That's just how important you
Okay.
are. Splits and Sunny go hand in hand. So in 10 years, you've seen so many breakups, patch-ups, and so many things. What are the things that have remained constant and what has changed from them to now?
One thing that's completely constant is that what I've noticed is when two people actually like each other, they move so far in the game because they have this connection that only happens when you have that special connection with someone. So I've seen that over and over again. I think it's only been a couple of times. Listen, I don't know what happens after the show airs, okay? What was real, what was fake, but at least what was in front of me, I like to believe that it's real. And there's only been, I think, once where there were legitimately two friends who won the show.
Oh wow, so mostly it's been the love connection and that
Yes.
has been constant.
Yes.
And Karan, I need to tell you, not ask, tell. You've been a reality show king. You've done MTV Love School, you've given Pyar Pe Gyan. You even found your love on a reality show, right? So now that you're a host of Splitsvilla 16, India's biggest youth reality show, by the way, for love. So I want to ask you, इस शो पे क्या ऐसा अलग current touch होने वाला है?
As you said, it's such a legacy show. But you know, the first time that I was on Splits was also when Sunny's Jaipur season. उस टाइम से इस टाइम के स्प्लिट्सविला में भी बहुत कुछ चेंज हो चुका है. The concept has evolved. The contestants are way more, how do I say, wild in a nice
That's
way.
true.
In a nice way. Just being here, changes the chemistry of how we, how we deal with everybody. So she has a way of dealing with the contestants. I have a way of dealing with contestants.
Which I actually want to know. What do you think and how's your chemistry with the OG Splitsvilla host, with Sunny Leone?
I think she's the most chill person I've ever worked with.
Damn.
Again, lady word. Don't say OG.
Yeah.
Don't say veteran.
No, not at all.
Limit
not at
these
all.
words. Eliminate.
Yeah, I think she's the most fun to be with.
Oh, thanks.
And Sunny, how would you rate Karan as
Oh
a
my God,
host?
he's so much fun, and you never know how you're going to gel and match up with somebody when you're on reality and we're hosting. And again, he's done so many different shows. I mean, it's really amazing because his perspective is completely different, and how he talks to the contestants and Splitsvillans is completely different.
ये bad boys, good boys बनते हैं ना प्यार के लिए, फिर दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए कुछ नहीं होता, और उसी के लिए वेट करो. ये मैं अपना पर्सनल बता रहा हूँ, बाकी तुम लोग अपना देखो.
It was amazing. We just it's just like meant to be, like puzzle pieces just came together.
Oh, damn. Good
I agree.
compliment.
Same.
Same.
Also, Sunny, last year, Splitsvilla 15, there was one mischief maker, and there was
You?
so much. No, Urfi. But that's true. But officially Urfi, and there was so much mischief happening. This year, we have two mischief makers,
Oh, good
Urfi
God.
and Nia.
Yeah.
So, what are the vibes? What's the chemistry like?
For them, I mean, I think that, when the Splitsvillans see the both of them coming, I think they literally shit their pants,
I swear.
not knowing what's gonna happen.
एक कॉमन कहावत है, सबने सोशल मीडिया पे देखा ही है, दो भाई दोनों तबाही, राइट? फ्लिप करते हैं. इस बार होगा दो बहन,
दोनों खैर.
नहीं करेंगी किसी पे रहम.
Because they know that they're there for mischief.
Yeah.
And they also know that these two personalities are going to give it exactly how it is.
Right.
There's no sugarcoating
No.
some of the things that they end up saying, which I think is it's a good balance between what we do and then how they handle the Splitsvillans. So I think they're awesome.
Every single time उर्फी आती थी ऐसे बॉम्ब फेंकती थी, लेकिन मुझे लगा कि एक बॉम्ब काफी नहीं है.
No.
या तो मैं अपने साथ एक बॉम्ब खुद ले आई. And now we have like an atom bomb, double trouble.
Amount of mischief that they've caused this year
Mayhem.
is like it's crazy.
You want pyar or you want paisa?
Now I'm so looking forward to knowing what it is. And Karan, my next question is to you. So इस बार हमारा शो का कॉन्सेप्ट तो बहुत ही निराला है, प्यार या पैसा. I wonder where that came from, by the way.
I was dying to tell you
We know.
that, you know, one of the most amazing things that was said in our creative meeting was, you know, we're taking, as Splitsvilla evolves, our Splits villains also evolve. So
Right.
with you kind of evolved the entire concept of the show for this year. You are definitely that rooted thing that is the driving force. And because of what you did last year and your choices and however people want to take it, it has literally been the most amazing thing because what we see this year is something totally different.
Damn. मैं खुद से तो बहुत humble हूँ, मैं कुछ बोलती नहीं.
We're gonna put you on a pedestal before you.
पहली बात तो compliments को मना नहीं
बिल्कुल
करूँगी.
humble नहीं है, कुछ भी बकवास मत कर. और दूसरी चीज, when that main twist happened, when you chose पैसा, I was clapping. I was like, you go girl, and you know,
I was crying.
yeah, yes. But you know, you've kind of, I don't know how to put this, but you've kind of liberated so many girls who are looking up to you, and you know, and you've given them so much strength. You're a badass, and yeah, you're definitely an icon. And definitely this season has a lot inspired by what Miss Kashish had done.
So let's talk more about Pyar and Paisa. What do you have to say about this concept of Pyar and Paisa Villa this year? And if you had to explain this, how would you?
Me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I think there's a practical approach to love as well. You know, जैसे
Yeah.
मैं बोलता हूँ कभी-कभी कि प्यार तो है ही है, लेकिन अगर पैसा है तो पैसे से पावर आती है, पावर से भी फिर अपने प्यार को जीता जा सकता है, पावर से भी फिर अपने प्यार को जीता जा सकता है. Not in the way you are thinking, but game. Like you have to be
Yeah.
on top, right? You need to stay in the game and you need to have
Right.
power. So अगर पैसे से होता है, तो वो आपके प्यार को help कर रहा है.
Right.
That's the new age love,
Yeah.
right? I mean, that's also the way things happen. You keep your partner happy.
Right. Well, that's a very interesting and practical
Yeah,
prospect of it.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Sunny, now I want to ask you, Splitsvilla is season was split into two. This is some kind of a social experiment. What experiment is this? What do you have to say about it?
I don't know, it's crazy. I, at first, like, watching everything, I'm like, I don't know if I like this, I
Yeah.
like this, I don't like this. I am enjoying everything that I'm hearing that's going on in Paisa Villa, but at the same time, I'm like, but I don't know these people yet.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like, I don't know, like, definite FOMO that I've not gotten to spend so much time with them because Urfi and Nia are there. And I think that once we met everybody and understand like all of the layers of this year, it is definitely going to be something that people are going to enjoy watching. And there are
Yeah.
so many Splits villains this year. So many.
More than last year's?
So
Yeah,
many.
yeah.
Damn. Okay.
But
so
also,
that's
it's
gonna be fun.
it's a very challenging format.
Yeah.
What's happened, and me and Sunny had the same. You know, I don't know if we like this, I don't know if we don't like this, but reality shows are all about challenging the contestants, right?
Giving
the
them
more pressure situations that you put them in, the more the personalities come out. So I think in a lot of ways, the challenge part is going to be something that the audience is going to be, I think, rooting for. Yeah.
So they're going to have fun watching it, right?
I think it's pretty new.
They're flipping crazy. Let me just say that.
Yeah, it's
They're just
pushing the
crazy.
envelope, yeah.
They're like
Okay.
another level crazy.
Now that we're
And-
talking about fun and crazy, I have to play a fun and crazy game with both of you. But before that, off topic, but can I say something to you? You look more radiating than last year as well.
Aw, thanks.
Really, and I'm not saying this to flatter
नहीं,
or
नहीं,
anything,
वो-
but up close, genuinely you're radiating.
को से भी फर्क
thank
पड़ता है
you.
ना? She's
It's
happier
him.
this season.
It's him. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I was.
happier.
Oh my gosh! Don't say that. I was happy last season too, but
No, I'm joking,
but
I'm
thank
joking.
you. You're so sweet.
I love
Of
Tanushri.
course. So now let's get ready for the crazy and fun game. It's all rapid fire. And आपको legit rapid answer देना है दोनों को. And आपके पास सिर्फ दो options हैं, प्यार या पैसा. तो हर सवाल का जवाब होगा प्यार या पैसा and without thinking. First
ठीक
thing
है.
on your mind. Okay?
ठीक है.
Ready?
ठीक है।
So,
पैसा।
I know, right?
let's get started. Sunny and Karan. Which one ends more friendship?
पैसा।
Pesa.
Which creates more drama?
Pesa.
पैसा।
Which is easier to fake?
Pesa.
पैसा।
Which one exposes true colors quicker?
पैसा।
Pesa.
What makes people lie more?
Pesa.
Which one is more addictive?
Pesa.
Which one has higher ROI?
पैसा।
No, yeah.
I'm joking।
Which one is harder to maintain?
प्यार।
Yeah.
Damn. Which one would you choose?
प्यार।
Yeah.
Safe answer.
नहीं,
But
नहीं।
that was a very, very fun segment. And both of you, for most of the questions, had very similar answers.
No, all answers were same. Only one I was
हाँ.
joking.
पैसा पैसा पैसा
Yeah.
बाप बड़ा ना भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया Okay, now guys, I have to ask you a rather interesting question about one of the episodes. प्यार विला में बॉयज की एंट्री वाज लेजिट एपिक, राइट? वहाँ पे गर्ल्स ने हिमांशु और टेन को क्या इसलिए पिक किया? डू यू थिंक बिकॉज वर दे द हॉटेस्ट और बिकॉज देव डन रियलिटी शोज बिफोर?
I think it's a mix of both.
That they were hot and they've done reality shows?
Yeah. Did you see him? They're both like gorgeous.
Okay. Okay, Karan, which contestants according to you are standing out the most and which ones are just vanished in oblivion, दिख नहीं रहे?
So इस सीजन में ना एक मिक्स है कंटेस्टेंट्स का। कुछ लोग हैं जिन्होंने रियलिटी शोज देखे हैं, करे हुए हैं, और कुछ
Right.
एकदम फ्रेश हैं जो
Right.
रियल इमोट कर रहे हैं सिचुएशंस पे। अगर उनको गुस्सा आ रहा है, दे आर नॉट प्लानिंग कि ओ शिट ये तो वो वाली सिचुएशन है, इसमें कशिश ने ऐसा किया था तो मैं ऐसा कर देता हूँ टाइप, यू नो। सो आउट ऑफ दोस सदफ इज द मोस्ट रियल राइट टिल नाउ। ठीक है, ये अपने हिमांशु, ये जितने भी अपने रोडीज और वो दूसरे गैंग हैं, वो बहुत कैलकुलेटिव चल रहे हैं,
अरे
दिख रहा
इतना
है।
बात करते हैं, अरे इतना बात करते हैं।
So yeah, so they know the game, they know the format, you know,
Right.
so they are वो उनका उस तरह से चल रहा है. So you can't say right now because you never know कौन shine करेगा बाद में जाके.
Right. And Sunny, I am the most excited to ask you this question. Okay, I wanted to ask you last season also, but अभी पूछती हूँ. Who tested your patience the most and who impressed you the
अभी
most?
कल ही पड़ी है किसी
Oh,
को.
yeah. I got mad at somebody yesterday. I like all contestants.
Yeah.
I love all Splits villains. I see them all as the same. I react based on how they act.
So who tested your patience सबसे ज़्यादा?
Oh my God, it was
कल
Yogesh.
basically योगेश को पड़ी है.
Oh my God. But the thing is like, I went through the entire process of being nice, being
Yeah.
funny,
Yeah.
and literally taking tape, putting it on their mouth, ha ha ha, he, chup karo, nahi chup hota hai. Seriously, even if I'm talking nahi chup hota hai, and I'm like, dude, shut the F up. Still bhi baat kar raha hai? And then I lost. I was like, Tada, you stand here, I will stand there. This happens once every season.
उसको निकाल दो. Either he's gonna say it or I'm gonna say it.
And I don't understand why. I don't understand why. It just drives me crazy. It's like, I have a job to do, you have a job to do. Splits villains are the stars of our show. But at the same time, him and I are here to facilitate how the show moves forward and the motion of everything. So, you know, of course they don't like it when we point out the obvious, which is like they for some reason become, I don't know, have amnesia. And they don't remember anything they said or anything they did. So that's also very like challenging. And then we remind them, but we have to remind them, we have to play devil's advocate. We have to show them two sides of the coin. And it's not just your way and that's how the life works. And you know, that I think that is sometimes very challenging. But then later on, as episodes like move forward, we go, do you remember when I said that? Do you remember when
That
we
happens a
said
lot.
this? Blah, blah, blah. And I go, I told you. I can predict most of the things that are going to happen here.
Right.
And, you know, that comes with time of doing, you know, season after season or working in reality. It's, you know, so yeah, that's pretty challenging. But he really like tested my patience. And then he's like, I'm sorry. And then I'm like, it's cool, bro. Like, it's completely fine. I know you're gonna do it again.
Yeah, that's the best part. So I know you so well. I know you guys. So basically, irritating सब है. वो जो बांध फटा ना कल सनी का वो एक पे फट गया.
So eventually to boiling point. And Sunny, who is secretly impressing you a little bit so far?
Yeah, Vishu definitely, I don't know, something inside of him ignited and his switch just turned on.
Damn. Yeah.
And it wasn't because we asked him to.
Yeah.
It was because something triggered him. And he needed to set the record straight. And how he did it, even though there was a lot of fighting, what he did, he was doing for a good reason. It wasn't just faltu.
There's an intent.
Yeah, and how he did it and what he did, what he said, who he was protecting, how, all of that
Yeah.
just made complete sense. And I definitely was proud of him, and even you had a conversation with
Yeah,
him too.
absolutely, absolutely.
And in between the takes, which nobody will ever see, I see him pacing and I see his mouth moving, and I'm like, I think he's a little disturbed after everything that just happened.
Right.
Because we're not used to yelling and screaming at people in our regular life.
Correct.
So I'm watching him, and then finally I'm like, I think I should just go see if he's okay. And then, I see you like moving your lips, like what's going on? Are you okay? He's like, I'm just praying right now, like trying to, get myself back together. I was like, all right, you keep doing that. We're very proud of you for taking a stand and doing what you did. So keep doing it.
That's a real contestant right there, not somebody who's mucked
Yeah.
up all reality shows.
Not
and come and he's
calculated.
pretend- Yeah, it just happened.
Yeah.
So he was being very nice and subtle and whatever, and then something happened, triggered, like how Sunny said, and वहाँ पर realize होता है कि ये एक ऐसा character जो copy नहीं कर रहा. This is going to be him, and people are going to start following him for who he is because they can see right through the
Right.
drama.
So talking about triggers, we've seen a lot of crazy fights in the promo, both physical and verbal, and even in girls. So there have been rather interesting fights, I must say. So what do you have to say about that?
The guy?
Chai incident.
Oh, I watched the playback on that one, I think a few times.
Yeah.
And then my kids watched it, and they watched it a few times.
Okay.
But again, you're put in a situation
Yeah.
where you would normally not be in. How you're going to react, I mean, I wouldn't even know how I would react. Would I act the same way as one of the Splits villains, or would I have acted differently? I have no idea. So her reaction, I think, even though we don't promote physical violence and we don't
Yeah.
promote people laying hands on each other, maybe my reaction would have been the same. I have no idea.
Okay. Karan, in the very first dome, Yogesh plus Himanshu versus Harshit, उनकी जो लड़ाई हुई थी, वो anger से ज़्यादा it felt like, oh, I'm marking my territory. So were the boys just trying to show that they are bigger than the show? Were they feeling it like that?
No, I don't
What
think
happened?
I don't think they were trying to show that we are bigger than the show. But you have to understand कि आप एक show पे आते हो, एक nervousness होती है, एक anxiety होती है कि show शुरू होने वाला है. Because I've also been a contestant on some reality shows, right? So I understand where that anxiety came from. It's a brand new show, it's a brand new setup. So आपको नहीं पता कि आप क्या करने वाले हो. You meet new people, somebody is better than you, in your head, somebody's like, हाँ ये तो ठीक है. So yeah, I would say yes, they were trying to mark their territory, but were they trying to be bigger than the show? No, I think they were just confused. New show, new place, new people around, and वो गुस्से में वो हो गया, and yeah, that happens.
That is what happened.
The first one, is this where you picked one up, threw him this way, picked one up, threw him the other way,
I
and
didn't-
then picked this one up and threw
I
it
think
this
it's
way, and then that way? That
Yeah,
one? Yeah.
Worth watching.
I was like, oh, that's badass right there. Because I have never seen you do anything like
I
that
don't think
before.
anybody has seen you do that, right?
But it was necessary.
Google me.
Yeah.
Okay, now that's what I'm gonna do tonight. Okay.
But from our side also, I had to set a, okay, this is what we will not take and all of that.
Yeah, that's fair. Like setting boundaries is required. Sunny, you always say that Splitsvilla is all about connection. Even now, you just mentioned that if you have a love connection, that's how you mostly go forward in the game. But Yogesh Himanshu and Gullu Gaurish, unka bhaichara is more than their
Oh,
love
this
connection
stupid
going on.
bhaichara. I hate this
Right.
bhaichara.
And they're also acting like bullies in the Pesa Villa. So do you think it's a smart move or what?
They both have their own alliances.
Bhaichara.
And yeah, I think at some point that bhaichara is not going to work for them.
Yeah.
Because eventually you have to make tough choices. And your bhai is not going to be there. It has
Yeah.
to be that person you made a connection with. And you have to choose your connection over your so-called brother. And when your brother, so-called brother, stabs you in the back and writes your name on a dumping card, I don't know, like, is it planned, is it not planned? I still can't figure out a couple of the Splits villains, if they're planning all this before they come to the dome, just to kind of add a little spice or
Spice
something.
to
I
it.
don't know, like,
That's definitely happening.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to figure it out.
The calculations that he was talking about.
Yeah, but you know the nice thing is they think that we're not listening, and then Karan and I come in and drop a bomb, or our mischief makers drop a bomb.
Yeah, that's the funny thing. Even in our season, we used to think, yo, hum to bahut tez hain.
हाँ, अभी पता चला
But then,
ना
exactly, you were like, हाँ, और बताओ,
Yeah,
and then you all would come and drop these bombs, and we'd be like, oh, सारी planning गई हमारी.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
also, so far, Oracle has not pronounced anybody to be an ideal couple. चाहे वो Tain Sadaf हो, Himanshu Diksha हो, जिनका connection so far is seem rather strong. So what is wrong with the Oracle?
She has reset her algorithm.
Okay.
No, but yeah, I think Oracle has been very stingy this year. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Karan Sunny, your first challenge here was the love charger. How was the experience of the challenge?
It was very cute.
Yeah.
Their socket in the charger or something was happening. It's very naughty,
Yeah.
but yet not naughty.
Yeah, we love that, don't we?
Because we would throw three statements, right? उसमें से कोई एक सच है, but दूसरी दो भी अगर सुन के ऐसे लग रहा है shit, ये सच में ऐसा तो नहीं है ये. So it was like it was chaotic and it was fun.
रेडी हो आप लोग? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Chaotic and naughty.
I think
Yeah.
the
Perfect
Splits
Splitsvilla
villains
challenge.
learned a lot of very interesting things about each
Yeah,
other.
about each other.
That
Very soon.
no, they
No,
did.
no,
They learned.
apt time. बिल्कुल.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So now we're talking about apt timing. Let's talk about how badly timed some of the contestants were. So everybody thought कि Anjali would be the first one to make a connection. But because of how indecisive she was, she ended up being alone.
Correct.
So what were your thoughts about that? Did you see it coming?
I think I did see it coming because I think she was एक तो वो overthink बहुत करती है.
Yeah.
ठीक है एंड वो बहुत सोच के आई हुई थी. एक तो पहले से बहुत सोच के आई हुई थी, ऊपर से वो ओवरथिंक करती है. एंड यू नो मी एंड सनी केप्ट टेलिंग देम जस्ट हैव फन. इट्स जस्ट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द शो. लाइक यू हैव टू एक ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप भी होता है ना. वो इतना कैलकुलेट कर रही थी कि ये अच्छा इसने वो रोडीज जीता, अच्छा ये इसने ये यू नो ऑल दैट.
Yeah.
एंड दैट समहाउ आल्सो
Backfired.
Yeah, backfires or the puts the other person off a little.
Yeah.
कि यार ये अच्छा ये इस तरह से सोच रही है. I'd rather be happy, you know, or go have fun conversation with somebody else.
Right.
So initially इतना नहीं सोचना चाहिए. And I saw it coming because she
Yeah. Okay.
had come in with this कि हाँ मतलब मैं सब सोच समझ के करूँगी and all of that.
First दिन में Tain was saying that he went after only 2 girls. लेकिन उसने थोड़ा मेरे पीछे भाग रहे थे क्योंकि actually told me I will give all of my hearts for your one heart. So technically he was kind of hitting on me and I thought it kind of cute actually, to be honest. I just thought I'll explore ahead.
It never works,
Yeah.
ever. I have to say, like, every time we have someone who says, I'm gonna go see,
Yeah,
talk to
yeah,
this one,
yeah.
we'll talk to this one, blah, blah, blah. All these different things happen where you start talking to so many different people that eventually we come down to human psychology,
Right.
Correct.
which is that men and women like to feel special.
Correct.
And they want to know that they're the one that you
Right.
like.
Correct.
Whether that's a good choice or a bad
Bad
choice, you
choice.
find out in time.
Yeah.
But we come back to the basics of like human psychology, and you know, no matter how many words, situationship, and blah blah blah, all these different crazy words that your generation has created, it just doesn't work.
Yeah.
Right. Perfect. And before I go to a rather fun segment, I have one more question to ask you guys. This season contestants were all looking rather hot, rather sizzling, thoda sa impressive as well, I might say. So what
Which
is
one's your favorite?
Yeah, let's get down to business.
We're
Bata.
switching. Give me these.
आप बता.
No, yaar. I'm still waiting कि कौन मुझे impress
You
करेगा.
have juicy gossip. You have
I do.
all the inside information.
Yeah.
So tell us, who is your favorite boy?
पिछले सीजन में सबसे ज्यादा हॉट लड़का कौन था?
तनुज विरवानी.
तनुज विरवानी.
No, that's-
कंटेस्टेंट दैट ऑफ लिमिट शादीशुदा वैसे तेरे कंटेस्टेंट्स में से. इसकी वो वाली वीडियो निकालना जिसमें ये सबको डिस्क्राइब कर रही थी.
मैंने किसी को भी हॉट नहीं बोला था, ढूंढ लो.
वो वाला जब कह रही थी मुझे तो सबका अटेंशन मिल रहा था, मुझे तो सब टच करने को मिल रहे थे. मेरे को तो बड़े
मुझे
मजे
तो
आ
बड़ा
रहे थे.
मजा.
मुझे बड़े मजे आ रहे थे. Okay, Sunny shoot.
Yeah.
Yes,
Who's your favorite contestant?
This
year.
season.
This season.
This season.
Who do you think is like very yummy?
So I'm gonna value loyalty. I'm gonna pick the people who have maintained a bond with me. Gulu is a great guy and he's a good friend of mine and he's very
Gulu's
sweet
so
to me.
funny.
So yeah.
I didn't say that. I said
I like
who?
him. He's hot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He is.
Let's ask you guys some juicy questions. So now we all have seen कि इस साल के contestants are rather good looking, some are sizzling, a little bit impressive. I want to ask you, what is your take on this batch of Splits Villains?
I think they're really good looking.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think the boys are good looking. Most of them are outspoken, and even some of the not outspoken ones are very cute.
Yeah.
You definitely can see like so many different personalities. Our girls are like firecrackers.
Yeah.
Most of them, and yeah, they're all really, really good looking creatures.
And what
Creatures.
about you, Karan?
I think very good bunch of contestants that we have, both boys and girls. Also lots of contestants because यहाँ पे दो villas हैं, right? There's a Pyar villa and there's a Paisa villa, and we got to meet all of them first 2 days that me and Sunny
Right.
shot, and very interesting people, very interesting personalities also, very different shades of personalities all together, and from different countries and different walks.
Yeah, we have people from different
So
countries.
I see that you all know the contestants very well, right?
Yeah,
तो अभी
24
इतने
घंटे.
अच्छे से if you know who the contestants are, let's put it to a fun little game.
Yes,
So
let's do
अभी I'm gonna mention a few traits और आपको मुझे बताना है instantly कि
Correct.
कौन सा contestant है who will do these. First one, ignore their partner in public but be extra sweet in private.
Gullu. Gullu, you know, he's like that. He's always like, मुझे नहीं पता कायरा पता नहीं क्या है और मैंने कहा कायरा अरे ऐसे नहीं भाई ऐसे नहीं और and we've come to know privately he's trying very hard to be romantic and everything. It's cute.
Okay, shut everyone up in a dome session.
Himanshu, no?
Okay.
क्योंकि वो चुप ही नहीं होता है.
Exactly.
Like, he doesn't let anybody talk.
I missed Sunny ma'am so much. Okay, third, lead someone on for fun.
I think it was
Tain. It's Tain.
Tain and Yogesh, I think.
Yeah, could be Yogesh as well.
Okay, interesting. Next, overthink every single text message.
Oh, good God.
All of them?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay,
Sensitive
interesting.
creatures.
Yeah. I think
Okay.
overthink. Who's the most overthinking contestant? Kyra? Overthinks everything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I can see
Kyra.
that.
Kyra?
She's
Yeah.
also very pretty.
Falls in love way too easily.
Maybe Anisha?
Anisha, yeah, Anisha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drop their current partner for a better option.
Anisha?
All of them?
Bullseye.
Anisha.
Anisha.
Next, give relationship advice but never follow any.
I think all of them do that.
सभी pros हैं यहाँ पे advice देने में.
Yeah. And sometimes a little hypocritical.
I think Sadaf.
Fair.
Sadaf is going to give all the advice, and when it comes to her, she's going to make all those mistakes because she's so much in love. No?
She did say she's blindly in love.
Yeah, blindly in
Yeah.
love. Yeah.
Oh,
वो
damn.
advice सबको अच्छी देगी हाँ, as a friend like.
Yeah.
But जब उसके ऊपर होगी तो ऐसे पिघल जाएगी वो.
Yeah.
होता है. Okay, now we are doing a rather very fun part of this show. ठीक है? इसका नाम है Wall of Fame. I'm going to show you guys a couple of pictures here, and
Oh, yeah.
you have to tell me कि उसमें BTS behind the scene क्या चल रहा था.
Okay.
And give us real goss. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm scared now.
Chalo, let's begin. Ooh, what's this?
This first episode when we just started, we're just entering Splitsvilla here, Sunny.
Oh, the kids are coming in.
Yeah. This is us coming from behind
This
the.
is us being excited, I think.
No,
Yeah.
we are walking into the frame. The girls were. See, it says Splitsvilla.
Are we walking in or are they
Yeah,
walking
no,
in?
we are walking in. This
Yeah.
is not where we stood. We came from behind, and these girls were just chilling over there, and you know, it was the starting of the first
Yeah,
episode. I think
Guys.
we were ready to judge all of them.
Already.
But yeah, but Sunny was so happy. She saw all of the girls, and she was like, "Wow!"
Yeah, they
such
looked really good.
Very good
Yeah.
and well dressed. And
Next
then they
picture.
Open them out, huh?
What did you just say?
Next, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा था? कि,
Interesting one.
ये क्या है?
This is Spessa Villa and the introduction of our
The
two
mischief
mischief
makers, yes.
And then they told them that this is Spessa Villa, that there's
Correct.
two villas.
Correct.
Oh wow. All
Yeah.
of you look so stunning in this picture.
Oh my God,
मेरा उस
Nia
दिन-
walked out and she's like, it was like amazing. And
All
then
of you
Orphe's
look
just
stunning.
cute.
मेरा
She's
कारपेट नया आया ही था उसी दिन मैंने ये किया था.
हाँ नहीं वो तो पता लग रहा है.
Other than that, I think यहाँ पे gossip क्या चल रही थी पता है? Me and Sunny were like they don't even know what they've fallen into.
I
because
think
they were
Sunny
पैसा
is
मिला.
complimenting somebody. Look at her hands. She's like, wow.
I might have thought one of the boys were cute.
Ah.
Yeah.
Next. What's this?
This
Oh,
is first day with the cocktails. Kiss of what was it? Kiss of
Oh,
chaos.
That was Harshit is a Kiss of Chaos. I
Yeah.
love Kiss of Chaos.
What was that?
Chaos.
Give
He's
us the
amazing.
BTS.
I think I don't even want to say that he's my favorite, but I do like Kiss of Chaos.
Okay. Now I
So
am
this
so
is where
excited to
the
know it.
boys were introduced and the girls were supposed to put bands on whoever they like. First impressions के हिसाब से.
Yeah.
This is that.
Oh my gosh, how they went crazy over this tattoo that Harshit has.
Yeah?
It is a naughty tattoo, but
Pretty-
I mean,
pretty
why
crazy.
judge? But he is the complete opposite
of what
they thought.
Where
What
is
we
the tattoo?
thought as well.
Yeah.
So ये यहाँ पे को bleak muscle होता है ना आपका जो बाहर
अच्छा।
निकलता है उस पे ऊपर उसने
Is
ऐसे
it-
lips बनाए हुए हैं.
Mwah.
Naughty, naughty.
अब अच्छा लग रहा है ना कशिश अब अच्छा लग रहा है.
He's such a nice guy.
Nicest guy.
Yeah, and we're really seeing him just come out of
Correct.
his shell right now.
Okay, interesting. Next.
Yeah, look at the chains.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm looking
now,
at it.
Okay, now I have. Give me this. All right.
Choose two.
First boy in the green. What is your first impression?
The green
Like,
one?
what is an emotion that comes out when you see him?
Like a
That's
vanilla
tame.
guy, like a sweet vanilla guy.
Okay. And
Yeah.
उसके
Sora,
साथ
blue shorts.
Blue shorts.
What is the first emotion that comes out?
तेज है. हाँ, like the first impression is तेज है.
मतलब वो कुछ कैसे देख रहा है ना खड़े हो कैसे
हाँ,
full
कि तेज
gangster
तो
vibe
है.
दे रहा है
हाँ,
gangster
हाँ.
vibe.
But that's only the first impression based on this photo.
Yeah.
Ayush in the orange peach shorts.
He looks like somebody who will be bullied.
Okay, उसके बाद वाला brown shorts.
Himanshu.
He looks like somebody who wants to bully.
And then Yogesh. Curly hair.
He looks like somebody who is well prepared because he's already done a show. So he's like, अब तो एक मौका नहीं छोड़ूंगा, सब
You
मैं
know him.
बोलूंगा.
That's
Yeah.
not a first emotion.
Yeah, but like I already know him. So.
And then boy in the red shorts.
उसके टैटू पे zoom करना जरा.
There's Kiss of Chaos. You
हम
just
आप
go
एक-
closer. Go touch it.
No, my goodness, no. No, thank you.
Go see what happens when you touch it.
Yeah.
No, I'll do it in person, no, much rather.
Yes.
If I ever have to with
All
somebody.
right, here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, this is the
Here's
plug
the
in the
next
socket
pic.
thing.
Yeah.
Oh, looks naughty. You were right.
मैंने तो बोला ही नहीं naughty.
मैं तो naughty बोलूंगी.
So what was the BTS? Tell me.
This
Well,
was
just guess. He's putting his plug in the socket.
Kashish, come on.
She's acting coy now, but she's definitely not coy.
Yeah.
वो करना पड़ता है ना, अभी हम प्रोफेशनल.
And who is that? Sandy? Is that Sandy in the white? Sandy's like,
Oh my God.
gosh.
I love it.
यहाँ पे इनको
Maybe.
सबकी इनकी quirky चीजें पता चल गई यहाँ पे. That I had a crush on my principal. I don't wash myself and all of that has.
I don't wash
So
myself.
that's probably what this gesture is that
Oh my God, I
she,
could
You
never
don't
believe.
wash?
अब मुझे नहीं पता exact क्या
So a
था.
lot of
lot of
crazy.
quirky things had come.
Yeah.
Interesting. Next.
यही तो बोल रहा हूँ मेरे पीछे भाग रही थी.
Now this is interesting.
I was running away.
Yeah. This is me having fun. And
Yeah.
him being a good sport and letting me.
Yeah, she does have a lot of. Even last year, she used to do a lot of pranks and everything
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
set. It was
she's-
very
I
lively.
have fun. I
She
love
has so much fun now. I've also started having fun. I've molded
Contagious
myself.
energy,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
one of the most amazing things that Splitsvilla does is they create these amazing props
Right.
for all of their
Yeah.
challenges, and like I absolutely love them all, and I'm dying to do all the challenges.
Do you remember that chicken prop that we had last year?
Yes.
And how when people were sleeping, you'd go in their ear and then tuck, and then it would make noise and people would just scare. Next, please. What's this?
This is probably me going, "You're gonna stick the plug in the socket."
Excited about
And he's
narrating.
like, "She's effing crazy."
I was new. I was like, मेरे को सीखना पड़ेगा ये.
Okay, next.
Is this a fight? Happening?
Looks like it, yes.
Holy, that's Kyra and that's Niharika hitting Preet, I think.
Oh, but Preet looks like she'd knock you out.
Yeah, we don't know about this.
I like Preet. She looks like I don't want to mess with you type.
So, look at those two girls hiding behind the pillar.
Yeah, why are they hiding there? Are they safe or something?
That's Urfi and Nia.
Oh.
वो उर्फी and Nia का भाड़ में जाए हमारे का क्या लेना देना लड़ने में इनको. This is such a cool picture. ये मुझे
is.
भेजना मैं इनके I want to post this. Red circle में उर्फी and Nia बढ़िया ही host.
And next, please.
First dome.
Dome.
Tell us the BTS. What was the energy like? What was happening?
What dome was this?
First
dome? Well, I was nervous.
Why?
It was my first dome.
You didn't seem nervous to me.
Yeah, you didn't seem nervous at all.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'm nervous. It's that energy, It's a brand new
Yeah.
show. What am I gonna do? Is it gonna
Yeah,
be the
he ended
same?
up throwing a couple boys across the room that night.
That was
Damn, what an entry.
Yeah. It's impressive.
yeah. Thank you. But yeah,
You're
this
like-
is that.
Thank you.
Now, this is the real tea. This is what we were interested in. Next, guys.
Oh,
that's-
See, we were talking.
there goes one.
Okay, I didn't know that you have pictures of this. I just yeah, वो
Wow.
हवा में ही लग रहा है मेरे को.
Look at your face, man. Full energy. What was going on? मन में क्या चल रहा था?
कुछ नहीं यार, बच्चे हैं आपस में सर्वर ना फोड़ लें एक दूसरे का, तो अलग अलग कर रहा था और कुछ नहीं है. I was दिख रहा था करेंगे and then when things got a little out of
I was
hand,
like, just wait till a punch flies, then go.
look at that picture, it's so funny.
I love that picture.
Yeah, you should post this.
Yeah, no.
Next, guys.
Ideal match. First time somebody went to the Oracle, that was them.
Yeah.
Tain and Sadaf.
Tain and Sadaf. Ooh,
Yeah.
was
Look
it?
at what they're wearing. Look how pretty they look.
Yeah, yeah.
And then
Yeah.
Yeah.
she was so
No, that is
I
so
can't
not
spill
fair.
the tea with you.
मुझे चुल मच रही है. अब मुझे जानना है क्या बात हो
You're
रही
gonna
है.
have to watch the show.
And for me it was quite a moment because I'm such a big Splitsvilla fan, especially after your season. तुम लोगों ने जो बवाल किया था. So I was also very excited कि हाँ मेरे सामने होना चाहिए ये.
And our Oracle upgrades itself every year. It looks more beautiful. It looks
Yeah, it does.
like
This one does look beautiful.
better and better.
And thanks to BYOG, मुझे finally मौका मिलेगा Oracle में जाने का क्योंकि मेरे सीजन में तो मिला नहीं.
Oh, you didn't go?
Not even once.
हाँ अच्छा. थोड़ा लेट पैसा चुन लेते तो शायद मौका मिल जाता.
सबसे लेट चुना था. Last
अच्छा,
episode
अच्छा.
में चुना था. Last
Okay.
minute में चुना था.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
Guys, next picture, please. Oh, first eviction.
Oh, I don't know. She's saying bye.
Simran? Oh, this was the first eviction.
Yeah.
Yes, first dome.
She looks really happy for being eliminated first.
Yeah, first, yeah.
Yeah, she's like, okay. See you guys. I don't know.
And inside, she's like,
Yeah.
oh. I mean,
else?
it must feel really bad to be eliminated first.
Yeah, first episode that must break her heart. तो अभी इसके बाय बाय के साथ इसके फोटो को भी बाय बाय करते हैं. Let's move to the next one. Oof.
Oh, look at them.
Oh,
Oh wow. This is
They
a
look
good
really
frame.
pretty.
They do. They look like mischief makers, no? कि
Yeah.
something तो होगा उल्टा उल्टा.
हाँ, perfect casting.
Yeah, no? Yeah, perfect casting, man.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, now we are almost at the end. But before I let you go, 2 villas, too many contestants, too many crazy personalities. So I'm wondering कि इनका merger कैसा होगा? And you have to tell us about that. What do you think इनका merger कैसा होगा and what should we all expect?
Chaos. So much chaos because
Yeah.
obviously, you know, there are 2 villas. One of them knows, the other
Yeah.
villa doesn't even know the existence of the
other
दूसरी
one.
villa
Yeah.
की existence भी नहीं पता. So ये जब ये आएगी अंदर ये धक्का लगेगा उनको and I'm sure अभी और भी चीजें होंगी कुछ
there's a lot. There's a lot that's going to happen.
Yeah.
And I think that when this merger happens, we're gonna see a lot of anger, sadness, excitement. We're also gonna see a lot of, you know, a little bit of betrayal.
heartbreaks.
Yes.
Yeah, because
Favorite genre.
you know,
Yeah.
when that merger happens, this hisab kitab is about
Yeah.
to happen, and
Lots of explaining to do.
Oh,
Yeah.
we love that, don't we?
Yeah.
Now, Sunny, Karan, with that, we've come to the end of this show, the grand premiere, the first episode of MTV BYOG Season 2, Splitsvilla Edition. And it was wonderful
oh wait,
to have you both.
wait. We know that your show is about the goss.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna give us a piece of goss from last year that didn't make the cut.
Oof, there's so much.
Yeah.
There's so much.
See,
Yeah.
I knew it.
Chai wai dalo.
I knew it.
Let me.
Because you know all the inside information that I never knew. And
And the producers also didn't know because
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Okay, maybe I will not take the name, but you will guess it.
Arey, हाँ, 100%. Let me see. Okay, you guys were there. I'll
So
figure
there
out.
was this contestant who was being very lovey-dovey with this girl that he met on the show.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you guys found it suspicious, but we did. But then again, he had a bhai on the show, and even if the contestant was wrong, the bhai always supported, and he always supported the bhai no matter how wrong he was.
Sachin
That's
and-
because, oh, no. That's because the bhai knew that this guy has more than a girlfriend outside.
oh, we all know this
And he kept
information
it a
that's
secret.
public.
Who?
Dad,
Who? Which
give
one?
us
Which
something
one?
that's,
Which one? Which one
that's
was
not
this?
public.
Which one? Which guy was this?
Oh, the one that said shady stuff about you, but then, oh, let's see what's going on now in his life. Hello.
Yeah, it was,
Oh,
yeah.
the curly hair
That's-
guy. Well,
No.
the guy who said stupid stuff about you was the curly hair guy, no?
He was also one. My God, so many stupid guys. He was also one, but no, the other one. So I
This
did.
is public information.
ये cut होने के बाद बताना
This is
मेरे को,
not gossip. This is public information.
Yeah, yeah.
Anybody can Google it. Chal, nikal.
तेज है
tell
सनी
us
मैम
more.
बहुत. Okay, let me think. Who do you want to know about?
Anybody
Who would you want to
who's faking it.
talk about?
Who was faking on the
Yeah.
show?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just give you a hint. The people that were not in the okay, I'll just say it like this. The people who instantly fell in love and instantly made a connection and instantly were too much in love.
But they're getting
But
married.
They're getting married?
No, not them.
Oh, okay.
So they felt that was fake. Okay, that's deep.
No, you were telling us.
Yeah.
No.
Who else
Another
instantly?
couple. They are not together anymore. No, don't guess. No, people will know I said it.
The winners.
He cannot keep a secret. Now you all know.
See,
मेरे को
that's called
पहले
gossip.
सीक्रेट पूरा आ तो जाए फिर रखूंगा ना.
I can neither confirm nor deny this information.
Okay. बाकी कौन प्रेग्नेंट हुआ कौन?
None of that happens on MTV. We do not condone these types of actions
Yeah.
on MTV.
Oh, but yes, I can give you this gossip. So, you all think that the reality happens when the camera comes and that's when bonds form. But that's so not true. Before the reality comes, bonds get out of their partner's room and go back to their rooms. So that's a gossip.
Yeah. I heard some people were bonding in the.
As well, yes. Do you know of the same person that I know of?
I also want to know.
Okay, now before, if we continue this, they're gonna puncture me more, they're gonna torture me more, and I don't wanna slip.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, guys.
No, it's okay if you slip. This episode will go viral if you slip.
No, that's anyways going to go viral. We have you too. Come on.
Thanks.
Yeah. Sweet too. मैं बात change करनी आती है.
Shani
With
है,
that
Shani.
note, guys, thank you so much for coming. It was lovely having you.
Thank
And
you.
this is definitely going to be one of the best episodes of this season. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All the best for this season.
Thank you.
Bring your own gossip. Crazy.
Oh my God. I knew BYOG का first episode would be spicy, but यहाँ तो मिर्च मसाला, chili flakes, तड़का सब कुछ ही था. But this was just the trailer. Or should I say, a little foreplay. Consider this your warm-up. And before I go, let the chat know that the Gossip Queen is back in town. And that's a wrap on this episode of MTV BYOG Season 2 Splitsvilla Edition. This is me, Kashish Kapoor, signing off. Until next time.